Hi guys, it's Richardlizhu and Happy New Year. I'm recording this on January 1st, 2025 and welcome back to another video. So for those of you who don't know, I'm a machine learning engineer, which is a type of software engineer working at a large tech company called TikTok, which is a subsidiary of ByteDance, which means it's owned by ByteDance. So every year, they give their employees a New Year's gift. And so that's what we have in front of us today. And that's what we will be unboxing in today's video. So, it's a nice box. I haven't opened it yet. I think I know what's inside. It says Happy New Year. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And I'll show you what TikTok gives their employees for New Year's. Let's get started. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, you get that new item smell. And so this is not just an ordinary box, but this is actually like a kind of usable box. I don't know if you guys can see, okay, so there's a zipper component. Awesome, cool. So let's see what it says. You shape our story. At ByteDance, your unique contributions shape our collective narrative, whether you're protecting our platform, developing innovative technology, fostering partnerships, managing operations, supporting our teams, or bringing creative visions to life. Your individual efforts are woven to create the rich tapestry of our company's journey. Across geography, role, and tenure, you all help shape our story, and we're excited for where 2025 takes us. Tap your phone and go onto the ByteDance logo. For a seamless experience, make sure NFC is enabled on your device. Wow, wait, that's actually really cool. Join us in reflecting on the incredible story we've written together over the last 12 months. So, I'm guessing that's probably proprietary information, so I won't be sharing that here, but that's like super cool tech that they have in this box, and just the box itself is super nice as well. Yeah, I kind of reframed it a little bit too. So now we open it, and so gift list. Insta360 Flow Pro gimbal ×1. Number 2, ByteDance global calendar ×1. And then instructions for use. And it's just instructions on how to set up the gimbal. So this is actually really cool. So Insta360 is a company that does a lot of social media marketing, and this is not sponsored or affiliated with them at all. I guess they work together with Insta360. As I understand, this has a retail price of $150. So expect me to be making some videos with this in the future. I'm super excited to use this. I don't have a gimbal, so I'm really excited for this actually. I think last year they gave a jacket or something. I think this is much cooler than that. And they also have, oh my goodness, it's a nice metallic calendar. So, product name, ByteDance Global Calendar, made from paper and aluminum alloy. Wow, wait, this is really nice. Okay, so let's unbox this here. Okay, so there's paper at the bottom, paper at the top. Wow, that's very cool. So it says always day one, which is one of TikTok's principles. Always day one means that we always want to feel like it's our first day at work. So remember all the excitement and energy that you had on your first day of work. That's kind of what we always want to have. So now we have January. Yeah, you can just it's very cool. So that's awesome. I'm not sure if I will be using it, but it's made out of aluminum, because I'm not too much of a physical calendar guy, but it's made out of aluminum, industrial design. It has these things, very cool. If I had a desk, I would use it. For those of you who don't know, I just moved to New York. So I used to be Silicon Valley software engineer, so now I will be New York City machine learning engineer. So yeah, that's the physical calendar. And I'll put it on this glass desk. I'm afraid that it'll break it, so here it is. So that's the one thing. And then now, I'm really excited for the Insta360 Flow Pro. So let me go ahead and close. Dude, this is such a nice box. This box it's zippered and reusable. Here, let me try to zip it up again. Wait, that's so cool. I've never seen a box like this. And it's stitched and stuff. So it's really functional, and it has a strap that says Happy New Year. I mean, what a nice box. I'm definitely going to be keeping this box and like reusing it. But now, this is the main attraction here. Insta360 Flow Pro. Okay, nice. Instructions, whatever. So Insta360 app. Here it is. This looks very fancy. And honestly, at the moment, I have no idea how to use it, and I'm kind of worried about breaking it. So I will read the instructions, and yeah, maybe I'll make a video about this later as well. But this is very cool and very nice. I hope I'm not breaking it. Let me just put it back. So that's what TikTok and ByteDance gives their employees, you know, at least for the 2024 to 2025 New Year's. So honestly, yeah, this is like super motivating. I mean, just like these small things like don't cost the company that much money, but it like boosts morale, like similar to like holiday parties of years past before the pandemic. You know, they're really great. And now I'm ready to go back and work hard. So yeah, thanks for watching this unboxing video. I hope you guys learned. You know, I know there's been a lot of like negative press about TikTok recently, you know, what with the potential ban and whatnot coming up. I have no idea what's gonna happen with that, but hopefully this shows some of the positive sides of working at TikTok. And yeah, really grateful for the New Year's gift, and hope you guys have a wonderful 2025. And yeah, subscribe for more videos. I am hiring editors now, so hopefully the video production quality will be going up, and we'll have more videos throughout 2025. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which should be a productivity keyboard unboxing video.